Experiencing a key fob not detected error in your 2022-2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee? This prevents push-button starting due to a failure in the keyless entry system. The core issue is the vehicle's inability to communicate with the key fob, preventing authentication and startup. The most common causes include a dead or weak key fob battery, CR 2032, software glitches, or hardware faults in the vehicle's body control module, BCM, or fob transponder. To address this, first try replacing the key fob battery. Ensure the new battery is above 2.5 volts. If that doesn't work, interference can be a factor. Try removing any metal objects that could disrupt the signal. If battery replacement doesn't resolve the issue, software updates are often the solution. Stellantis issued recalls and TSBs for Uconnect 5 glitches. Check for and install over-the-air updates. Visit a dealership for ECU reprogramming for 2022-2023 models related to recall number 24X. As a last resort, use the mechanical key inside the fob to start the vehicle. If none work, faulty BCM or antenna may require replacement. Use OBD2 scanner for error codes like U0140.